Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log in into your Steam account from QR code. So first thing, you need to open Steam on your phone, then from here click on the shield icon here, then click add authenticator, then you can use your number to get a code or you can use your email. So I'll use my email, so they will send a code to my Gmail. All we need to do is copy it. So as you can see, here is the code. All we need to do is copy it to our phone. Now, as you can see, all we need to do is click verify code. Then we need to save this number. Then we click done. After this, then we click done. Now, all we need to do is scan the QR code here. So let's refresh this one. After that, we scan it and then click sign in to Steam. Then, as you can see, after a few seconds, we will be logged in into our account on PC. And there you go. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.